favorites at work and home of the no repeat workday, the new 98.1. The Breeze. I'm Lisa St. Regis. More $1,000 thank yous to give away 4 o'clock this afternoon. You'll have your next chance to win. To say thank you for making the switch to relaxing favorites at work. Roger of Vallejo won his. Nancy of San Leandro. Chandra of Livermore. Vince, also in Livermore. Angelica of San Leandro. Robert in Sausalito. I wish I could read all of the names all throughout the Bay Area. People making the switch to relaxing favorites at work, and we so appreciate you. $1,000 thank you at 4 o'clock. The new 98.1, The Breeze.
Stand by for your forecast from the Exergen Temporal Scanner Thermometer Weather Center.